Hi, we're Nikki and Billy, two 57-year-olds who've taken early retirement to go travel this winter in our new van. We're going to Spain, Portugal and hopefully Morocco. We're not sure if we're brave or stupid, but we're definitely scared. So if you'd like to come along on that journey, hit subscribe, it's completely free.
So that's enough of Billy. This weekend is all about me and my wild camp in Bev's motorhome. Oh no, you have to press the top to start it. All right. Right, so stay. Where are we?
Blown away.
Blown away. Right, we're just setting off. I'm hoping we're on the screen somewhere because I'm a little bit rubbish. I might have been better off with my phone. What do you think?
All right.
Yeah, lovely day, just a bit windy. And we're heading off to do the Rosedale railway circuit. Bev's taking me round because I've never done it from this side. And then we'll go for a beer and a line in Blakey Ridge. Halfway round. And then we're coming back for a nice chill. So, off we go.
It is the best pub though.
It is, for sure. So, we've decided to come off the railway line and head down and cut over the valley. And we're going to start the railway line by Rosedale East. So, courtesy of Bev's Navigation. She's doing very well on Outdoor Active, which I used to have and I've deleted, so yeah, lesson learned, get that back on my phone. Yeah, but we've picked a pretty little route this way, cutting over the valley, up the other side, so it's probably only going to be about, I don't know, 11.5, 12 mile, but we will have a stop, obviously, at the Lion Inn. Yeah, we'll have done this on one of ours. Oh, what a gorgeous day.
Even I'm sweating.
Hey?
Even I'm sweating.
And look, the pub's nearer.
Yeah.
Hey. You just can't see as much on camera, can you?
No, when you take a photograph of a view and you think, oh, what you see
Looks
by your
stunning.
eyes.
Yeah.
No, on your phone, it's rubbish.
Yeah, you don't get to see a great deal. That's a much better view. There's no things on to swivel it around like a normal camera, is there?
No.
Nothing for you to press to swivel it.
You'd have done that, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I'm sure you don't have to do it that way. Or maybe you do. Do you think?
I don't know, it's a small picture, isn't it? I remember.
Yeah, that probably shows more than what you can see. Billy's going to wet himself when he sees this, isn't he? What's going on? You just don't get any perspective though, do you?
No, that's a better view that way.
Got ya.
Again.
So, last little push up to the... still not sure whether we're on camera or not here, Bev. But we'll give it a go. Last little push up to the Lion Inn. Just a slight little incline and then we're in there. What are you having? What are you having to drink?
Pint of ale.
That's it. No way, no way, no way. It's your no usual 9% stuff.
No way, no way.
Well, not me. We reckon we've got about 4 miles to get back to the van.
Yeah, reckon so.
I'm going to get you in this picture. There you go. Yeah, I reckon we've got about 4 miles, 4.5 miles to get back to the van.
Something like that, yeah.
So we're aiming to have just the 1 pint, aren't we?
Yeah.
Maybe some chips. I've just been starving today, all day. So, right, yeah, so just behind that building is the pub. Bet that makes you get a spurt on.
Doing a billy now.
Yeah. You've only been whinging on for 3 mile. Yeah, it's been windy, but absolutely glorious. So, most of the day we've just been in our t-shirts.
Then the face going round now because it's the winds. When the winds get up.
Yeah. I'll have to do a little bit of pull because it's. Oh yeah.
Ja, dat is zo'n wel jammer. Dat was in de 90s.
I'll go to the toilet. Yeah, there's a fire. They've had past 2 fires already. I just wanted to. I couldn't resist. Oh. And she's on. We've made it. There's the van in the distance. Well, motorhome. I'm poshing it up tonight. I've got a. So there's another van there, so we don't know whether they're staying or they've just come to have a little bit of a look round. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful purple heather. And we've just done our quickest mile. So obviously beer is good for us, isn't it?
It is.
It's made us walk faster. So,
Is that another car in front of us?
Don't know, can't tell. Can't see. There's something, isn't there?
Yeah, it's probably their car.
Yeah, maybe. So,
It's okay.
yes. So we've made it. So back to the van. This is the furthest either of us have walked. Well, it's the furthest I've walked for like ever because I'm always on my bike. So
Good for you, isn't it?
yeah, furthest we've walked for ages, isn't it? So we've had a lovely day, and now we're going to chill and have a nice curry made by Blakey Ridge, and a bit of fizz, and enjoy this beautiful countryside. Yeah, there is a car, so we might have a few people, but oh no, no, the car's going. So yeah, might have a little wander up there and sit at the top of there later. There we go. We might not.
We might do it in the morning.
Might do it in the morning, yeah. Our walking may be done for the day. So, back to the van. Yay! So, home for the night. It's absolutely stunning out here. And there's Beb's motorhome. So I've been spoilt rotten. I've been driven. I haven't had to do anything. Billy's cooked dinner for us. And I've got a super comfy, cool motorhome for the night. I like it, it's nice. And to say it's over 7 metres long, it really didn't feel like it when we were driving here. So the wind's dropped as well because it was crazy windy when we parked up. So yeah, so this is our view for the evening. Absolutely beautiful. So there's a van there. We don't know if they're staying. There might be. Who knows? Oh, steps out. Bev couldn't get her boots off quick enough. So yeah, but yeah, it's an absolutely lovely motorhome, and she's a really good driver as well. So yeah, absolute luxury for me. Yeah, and it is a beautiful, beautiful motorhome because I've always done camper vans. But yeah, this is cracking. Right, that's it. Billy said, have I got any videos? Yes, I've got kitchen envy, darling. Look at the size of that sink. There's a huge fridge. No shwaddy dancing though, please. And then 4 foot. Oh, she's on it. She's on it. And we've got Benidorm on the telly. Yeah, we're having a proper retro night. But that cooker, you've got 3 gas burners and an electric burner. The grill is fabulous. It lights right across. Yeah, so I've got kitchen envy, babes. You know what I'm like. Yep, our only guests this morning. We did hear a few earlier on.
Yeah.
Probably on their way down for brekkie.
It's better the other way actually in the end.
So Blakey Ridge, this is the life. Look at Bev slaving away in that kitchen. I think we're having poached eggs, smoked salmon, muffins. And I've got a lovely glass of fresh juice.
Clementine juice.
Clementine, yeah. And I'm sat here looking out the window. It's starting to lift, actually. It was really, really, really grey when we first woke up. But, yeah, it's not bad now. Yeah, nobody's rocking up this morning, though. The only people we've seen are 2 lads that left the car here last night. And then they must have gone off and done a wild camp somewhere. Come back for the car this morning. So, yeah, it was a really, really quiet night. No boy racers. So, yeah, as I said, I'm sat here in the lap of luxury with my feet up and my fluffy socks on. And Bev's over there doing brekkie, which I will roll out this fan, I swear. After your curry last night and breakfast, I dare even show you the bags of bottles. But to be fair, they weren't all ours, apparently. So there was a fair few bottles and cans in that rubbish down there. So, yeah. Anyway, happy motorhoming. So, Billy Reid, how's this for a lush breakfast? Yum, yum, yum. So, spoilt rotten I am. Gorgeous. So, cab area, captain seats. Lovely little sofa.
That's quite a lot, I suppose, a good third.
What's that?
I've used about a third.
Really? And you've had the heating on loads, haven't you? Yeah. So, yeah, lovely little sofa. Bev's just braved the elements to turn the gas off. Honestly, I'm not used to this. I've been so lazy. Anyway, yeah, beautiful little lounge area. Cupboard comes out, table comes out, goes in middle there. Look at this, a cracking cooker. And fridge, massive sink. Oh, and I like this as well. So I've got to show you this. So there's an electric ring for when you're on hookup and 3 gas ones as well. So that's really clever. Lovely oven. And look at that bed. Look at that bed. So it's fabulous. It's a great layout, this van. I love it. Wardrobe. And lovely little bathroom. Yeah, lovely little bathroom. Yeah, the button's done. Yeah, lovely little bathroom and shower. Yeah, really cracking little van. I love this van, Bev. It's really nice. So that's our girls' weekend. Hope you enjoyed it, because we did. We had a right good time. We've got lots more coming up, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to see what we are up to. Before we go to Spain, we're heading off to the NEC, and we've got some big news, and I'm surprised Billy's been able to keep quiet as long as he has about this one. So yeah, if you want to know what's going on, you want to know a little bit more about our adventures and our road trip, hit subscribe, and thank you for watching.